You know, it's a pleasure to be here, and certainly quite a variety of different people from different industries. So it's actually of great benefit to myself as well.
Thank you all for joining us. Tonight is really important and really special to educate and increase awareness about ALMAC.
Hong Kong is embracing a world of new opportunities as we resume our seamless connections with the mainland and the world. We've been focusing our effort to create stronger impetus for Hong Kong's economic growth and also push forward our economy towards high-quality development.
The most important thing is to collaboratively work together. And key is to keep the infrastructure investments going on. And I think the third runway system is a classic example. The pandemic didn't stop that, and that is helping us future-proof and to be ready next year onwards to bring cargo and passenger capacity on.
Lab, we provide artificial intelligence. One of the things, definitely not here to replace people. Okay, that's wrong. We need people. I always use that analogy. If an airline has no pilot, its autopilot is 50% discount. No one will travel in there anyway. So, right.
From an inbound point of view, I'll share with you certainly, we've got many of our customers that have a high inventory at the moment. They brought in cargo in the last 12 months just in case of those disruptions. And now those disruptions are no longer there, but in return, we have slower consumer spending. So we have high inventory and lower consumer spending.
I encourage you, there are lots of opportunities, lots of people are back and from all over the world, so you have the chance to experience yourself and to see what's really going on. We are here to help. Invest Hong Kong, TDC, Trade Development Council, Economic and Trade Office.
With ALMAC, we aim to provide a platform to connect industry players, service providers and shippers all come together to exchange market updates, share market intelligence, and explore business opportunities. So it's very much business focused.
Well, ALMAC appears to be very interesting for us locally as well as for our office in Hong Kong. So I'll be definitely attending and looking forward to meeting and greeting a lot of people over there.
The panel was excellent, if I may say so. You had some excellent presenters and speakers. They spoke with a lot of facts, and they were really good facts. They mentioned